Managing diabetes can be a daily challenge, but what if I told you that something as simple as sipping tea could make a big difference? Yes, certain teas are packed with powerful compounds that can help stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and even improve insulin sensitivity. In this video, we're uncovering the 7 best teas for diabetes. These teas aren't just delicious, they come with serious health benefits that can support your diabetes management naturally. From common brews to some unexpected options, each tea we'll discuss has unique properties that make it a must-have in your routine. So, grab a cup and stick around to find out which teas you should be drinking for better blood sugar control. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 7 is peppermint tea. When it comes to managing diabetes, controlling blood sugar is often the main focus. But another factor can throw a wrench in your efforts: stress. High stress levels can cause your blood sugar to spike, making it harder to keep your diabetes in check. That's where peppermint tea comes in, naturally calming your nerves and potentially helping stabilize your blood sugar. Stress and blood sugar are closely linked. When stressed, your body releases hormones that raise your glucose levels. For people with diabetes, this can lead to more frequent blood sugar fluctuations and make management more challenging. By finding ways to reduce stress, you might just find it easier to keep your blood sugar under control. Peppermint tea is a soothing brew with some impressive benefits. Research shows that peppermint has calming effects that could help lower stress levels. But how does it work? The secret lies in its aroma. Studies have found that simply smelling peppermint can help reduce feelings of anxiety, frustration, and fatigue. Additionally, one study looked at how peppermint aroma affected patients during medical procedures. The results showed that people who were exposed to peppermint scent reported less pain and anxiety. This suggests that peppermint could have broader stress-reducing effects that might be helpful in various situations. For people with diabetes, incorporating peppermint tea into their daily routine could be a simple yet effective strategy. By potentially helping to manage stress-related blood sugar spikes, it offers a natural complement to other diabetes management techniques. Plus, it's a caffeine-free option that can be enjoyed any time of day without disrupting sleep patterns. It's important to note that while peppermint tea shows promise, it's not a replacement for proper medical care or prescribed diabetes treatments. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diabetes management plan. Next, at number 6, we have rooibos tea. Rooibos tea is a ruby red brew that's been enjoyed for centuries in South Africa. But it's not just its vibrant colour that's catching the eye of researchers. Rooibos contains a unique compound called aspartame, which has shown some impressive glucose-lowering properties. Let's talk about aspartame. When you drink rooibos tea, the aspartame in it might help your body manage blood sugar levels better. This is crucial for anyone with diabetes, as keeping blood sugar in check is a daily challenge. But how does it work? Well, laboratory studies suggest that it might help your body use sugar more effectively rather than letting it build up in your bloodstream. But that's not all. Rooibos tea might also be a secret weapon in the fight against obesity, which is closely linked to type 2 diabetes. The compounds in rooibos tea could help stop fat cells from forming. This is important because managing weight is often a key part of diabetes care. Now, let's talk about another benefit that makes rooibos stand out: its potential to lower cholesterol. In a human study, people who drank rooibos tea saw a decrease in their LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. LDL cholesterol is often called bad cholesterol because it can build up in your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease. This 2-for-1 action is what makes rooibos tea such a potentially powerful ally for people managing diabetes. Imagine starting your day with a warm cup of rooibos tea, knowing that you're not just enjoying a tasty drink, but potentially giving your body extra support in managing your diabetes. Coming in at number 5 is hibiscus tea. For those managing diabetes, keeping your heart healthy is just as important as controlling blood sugar. Because diabetes can increase your risk of heart problems. That's where hibiscus tea comes in. A study from the journal Advanced Pharmaceutical Technology and Research found that hibiscus tea is a powerhouse when it comes to lowering blood pressure. In fact, drinking 8 ounces, 237 millilitres, of hibiscus tea twice a day for a month can significantly reduce blood pressure in people with diabetes. The high antioxidant content of hibiscus tea helps protect your blood vessels and keep them flexible. When your blood vessels are healthy, it's easier for blood to flow through them, which can help lower blood pressure. Adding hibiscus tea to your daily routine is simple. Try having a cup in the morning and another in the evening. You can enjoy it hot or cold, depending on your preference. Some people like to add a bit of stevia or lemon for extra flavour, but be careful not to add sugar. At number 4, we have ginger tea. Ginger is a common kitchen spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Now, modern science is uncovering its potential as a powerful ally in managing diabetes. Ginger might help lower fasting blood glucose levels and improve glycemic control. Let's talk about how it works. First, ginger may help your body use insulin more effectively. Insulin is the hormone that helps your cells absorb glucose from your blood. When you have diabetes, your body either doesn't make enough insulin or doesn't use it well. Ginger can help by making your cells more sensitive to insulin, allowing them to take in more glucose. Ginger also appears to help your muscles absorb more glucose. This is important because your muscles are one of the main places where your body stores and uses glucose for energy. Moreover, ginger seems to slow down how quickly your body breaks down carbohydrates into sugar. This means that after you eat, the sugar from your food enters your bloodstream more slowly, which can help prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. A small study in 2015 found that people with diabetes who took ginger supplements for 3 months showed significant improvements in their blood sugar control compared to those who didn't take ginger. This suggests that adding ginger to your diet could potentially help you manage your diabetes better over time. Next up, at number 3, is chamomile tea. Chamomile tea, long known for its calming effects, might be doing more than just helping you unwind. Research suggests that this gentle brew could play a role in managing diabetes by improving your sleep and potentially boosting your body's insulin sensitivity. Let's talk about sleep first. When you don't get enough quality sleep, your body can have trouble using insulin effectively. A study found that women who drank chamomile tea for 2 weeks had fewer sleep problems and felt less depressed. Better sleep could mean better blood sugar control. Another study looked at people with type 2 diabetes who drank chamomile tea 3 times a day after meals for 8 weeks. The results? They saw improvements in both insulin resistance and inflammation markers. What's happening in your body when you drink chamomile tea? Scientists think it might help reduce oxidative stress. That's a fancy way of saying it helps your body fight off damage from harmful molecules. Less damage could mean your insulin works better. Julie Stefanski, a diabetes nutrition expert, explains why this matters. She says, diabetes is considered an inflammatory state, and along with proper food intake, good quality sleep is important in reducing inflammation. So, by improving your sleep and possibly reducing inflammation, chamomile tea could be working double duty for your health. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how much tea do I need to drink? The study that showed benefits for people with diabetes used 3 cups a day, 1 after each meal. That might seem like a lot, but remember, it's a caffeine-free option you can enjoy anytime without worrying about it keeping you up at night. Nearing the top of our list at number 2 is black tea. While chamomile tea offers a soothing nightcap, your morning brew might be hiding a secret weapon against diabetes. Could your daily cup of black tea be doing more than just waking you up? Scientists have uncovered a surprising link between this common beverage and blood sugar control. Black tea may be more than just a tasty drink. This tea might help reduce insulin resistance and improve blood glucose control. This means your body could use insulin more effectively, helping to keep your blood sugar levels in check. What makes this tea special? It's all about how it's made. Black tea undergoes different processing methods, giving it unique health benefits compared to other teas. These special qualities may be why black tea appears to help in diabetes management. But how does black tea do this? It may work in a few ways. First, it could help reduce inflammation in your body. Second, it might act a bit like insulin, helping your cells use sugar more effectively. Lastly, animal studies suggest that black tea could slow down how quickly your body absorbs carbohydrates. This could help prevent sudden spikes in your blood sugar after meals. Here's something interesting. Drinking black tea after eating sugar might help control your blood glucose levels. It can act a bit like insulin, helping your cells use sugar more effectively, and it can slow down how quickly your body absorbs carbohydrates. Some studies have found that people who regularly drink black tea have a lower chance of getting type 2 diabetes. Adding black tea to your daily routine is easy. Try having a cup with breakfast or after lunch. You might find it's a tasty way to support your diabetes management efforts. Finally, at the top of our list at number 1 is green tea. Now, let's turn our attention to the reigning champion of diabetes-friendly teas. Green tea isn't just a trendy health drink, it's a powerhouse of potential benefits for those managing blood sugar. What makes this so special in the fight against diabetes? The secret lies in a powerful compound called epigallocatechin galat, or EGCG for short. This unique substance might be the key to green tea's blood sugar lowering abilities. According to research, EGCG could help your muscles absorb more glucose from your blood. This means less sugar floating around in your bloodstream, which is great news for anyone trying to manage their diabetes. Studies have found that people who regularly drink green tea tend to have less body fat and smaller waist sizes compared to those who don't drink it. This means green tea might also help prevent obesity. Some research suggests that the compounds in green tea could help stop fat cells from growing. This could make it easier to maintain a healthy weight, which is important for managing diabetes. One of the best things about green tea is its nutritional profile. According to the US Department of Agriculture, 1 cup of green tea has 0 carbohydrates, 0 grams of sugar, and only 2.4 calories. This makes it a great choice for people watching their blood sugar or trying to lose weight. Erin Polinsky-Wade, a registered dietitian, explains why EGCG is so important. She says, EGCG has been found to increase the uptake of glucose into muscle cells. In other words, this compound helps your muscles use sugar more effectively, which could help keep your blood sugar levels stable. But there's even more to the story. A review published in the International Journal of Molecular Science in February 2019 found that EGCG might also help treat obesity. This is exciting because it suggests that green tea could be working on multiple levels to support your health. Of course, while green tea shows a lot of promise, it's not a magic cure. It should be part of a broader approach to managing diabetes, which includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, and following your doctor's advice. And there you have it. We've explored the 7 best teas for diabetes: peppermint tea, rooibos tea, hibiscus tea, ginger tea, chamomile tea, black tea, and green tea. Have you tried any of these teas to help manage diabetes? Which one are you most excited to add to your routine? Let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest health tips. Lastly, if you enjoyed this video, please consider showing your support with a super thanks. Your support allows us to keep bringing you valuable content that enhances your health and wellness. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.